let's see what this hero is going to show us. Okay, so he is at resting. Okay, so waiting for you to show. Yes, move. Oh, wow, really? Wow, that's interesting. Okay, looks like you are very energetic today. Let's see your friends out there doing what. Okay, so now where are you heading to? Okay, I'm following your way. All right. Okay, so today seems like you are very active. Okay, got some more out there. Is that right? See you up there. This is a family with the father and mother and the kids. Okay, let's see. After take their breakfast, they start to carry out their daily life activities. Right, okay, so I will try to catch the most active one and show you. So wow, that is the most active one. Wow, that's fantastic. Okay, let's see what he want to show us. Okay, so I'm waiting for you. Okay, so it seems like they are busy exercise. I think they are doing exercise. Okay, so here also got a few. Start with their daily life activities, moving around, keep on active, lead an active life. This is monkey's life. Okay, they never sit down and sleep. They will keep on moving. Okay, keep on walking here and there, hop here, hop there, so that they will use up all the energy, and then they will continue their life actively. Okay, so let me see. There are a few up there, and there are babies up there. So many babies up. Okay, up there, right? Can you see that? Okay, so today will be focused on monkeys activities. Okay, so they are standing there. Okay, I think over there got sunshine. They like the sunshine. Wow, this is interesting. Your body is quite heavy, so be careful, don't fall down. Okay, so looks like they are actually lead a peaceful life here. Okay, they enjoy their life. Okay, jungle's life is fun for them. Okay, so let me have a look for this one. Okay, this one is one family, I guess. Okay, so they can move from one plant, one tree to another tree very fast. Okay, so now they like to jump here, jump there, and they know how to estimate their, I mean, they know how to estimate the weight of their body so that they won't fall down. Okay, so you can see they actually are very skillful in climbing the tree, right? Okay, so let me check, got some more up there. Not okay. Where are they heading to today? Looks like very quiet. Very quiet today. Oh, okay. Yes, there's someone there. Let me see. Where are you? Wow, here. Okay. Okay, they are actually enjoying the sunshine, and they love the sunshine very much, I guess. Okay, so here looks like very peaceful. Only this side got many monkeys. Okay, so I'm waiting for them to show their activities. You can hear the bird chirping, right? So the jungle's sound is very special, peaceful, with the peaceful with the certain sound that will make the jungle more lively. Okay, so alright, I think I will stop here for monkeys activities today. Let's go for a break. Before that, let me show you this big tree. This is a very special big tree. Okay, you see the root here. It's a root. Okay, from the root up there, see that? So special. Wow, so tall. You see that? Wow. This is the heaven for monkey. They love this tree very much, I guess. It's very steady. Okay, that's all for today. Bye and have a nice day. See you for the next video. Okay, yes, you want to show? Alright, I'm waiting for you. Okay, bye, all the monkeys. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Yes, you want to do exercise? You want to do exercise? Carry on. Go ahead. Okay, I think I have to say goodbye to all the monkeys. Bye bye. Have a nice day.